My name is ANAISHA Lakhani. I study in JBC in Chamber, Mumbai. I am in grade 3. My age is 8 years old. I learned to solve Rubik's Cube from Genius Kid Academy when I was just 4 years old. I love to make mosaics with Rubik's Cubes, and so far I have made 20 plus mosaics. It takes around 3 to 4 hours to make one mosaic. I use 500 plus Rubik's Cubes to make one mosaic. I would like to thank International Book of Records for giving me the title of youngest mosaic maker with Rubik's Cubes. I would also like to thank God and my parents for supporting me always.
Super Talented Kid, a biggest platform to explore kids' talent. A proud moment to make your kid recognized worldwide. An opportunity to get honored in an award show. Also get a chance to meet and greet with Bollywood celebrity. Apply now. Log on to www.internationalbookofrecords.com and for more details call 9646 803875 7973 222208. Super Talented Kid, one in a million.